So we can start. So you put lumpia inside. Uh, what is inside of the lumpia?
Toge, mungo sprout. It has vegetables,
Mm,
ground beef,
mm.
like that. It's like that.
And how many minutes it has to cook until it's ready?
When the lumpia is turning brown, that it is.
Mm, okay. Mm, so what you see that it's a Philippine variant of making Frühlingsrolle or in another languages. I don't know in the moment.
Spring rolls.
Spring rolls, yeah. Mm, 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 mm. So you cook this in oil, huh?
Yes.
Mm, mm, mm,
Patay mo na ininit ko eh.
Hmm?
Patay mo ininit.
mm,
Init.
Init.
Hindi pa?
mm,
Patay mo na.
Hindi.
mm, mm. Checking. So, moving now. It looks very good now. Hmm? Mm, 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 yeah, no problem. Ah, now you put it so the fat is not going inside, ne? In Germany you say it with fat it goes in the legs. Mm. So they are ready now. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah.